So we got a lot of fun stuff going on today out here at Beat Road. The insulation contractors have got all of the house insulated. We have got our vapor barrier installed here in the Northwest. The vapor barrier on any house gets put on the side of the wall that is warm during the winter time. So in the north, where it's cold in winter, we got heat on the inside of the house. Our vapor barrier goes on the interior surface of the studs. That keeps any vapor barrier from getting into the walls. If you're building in the south, that vapor barrier goes on the exterior of the walls there. So we've got all of that ready. We have our inspections done. So all of this stuff had to be inspected before we're allowed to cover. So that's been finished. We have our cover inspection. The guys are, man, there's a nice big crew here rocking the house, and a lot of things are getting done. We've got a guy here doing trim. So we're actually doing a kerfed baby bullnose on the edges of all the doors and windows, and so we've got a guy here. Those things have to be kind of done in tandem for the drywallers, and so normally that trim wouldn't go in until after drywall is completely done. He is here now because of that little detail that we're doing. So he is out in the garage ripping some boards and getting all that prepared, so that's nice and fun. So yeah, we're gonna have, probably it's gonna take another day or two, we're gonna have the whole house rocked, and then we're gonna start mudding and taping. So what we've got here is, this is a engineered septic system. In our area here that we do septic, we have to engineer all of these systems. The ground here, a lot of times people have problems with water not draining well enough on their property. We actually have the opposite problem here. Our ground drains too quickly. And so what the engineer has put together for us is, we have got 2 feet of sand and a foot of rock with these pressurized PVC lines here, so that essentially if the ground drained too quickly, it wouldn't clean that dirty water out before it actually soaked down into the water table in this area. And so all of this sand gives us really good filtration for this house. So what we've got here is, we've got 2 100-foot beds, and we've got our septic tanks on the other side of the property here that we're going to pump everything up to this location, and that'll take care of all of the wastewater for this house.